Hello, this is CP Edit, and in this video I'll be discussing with you guys how I solved the last problem in the weekly contest 202 of LeetCode. So I was able to solve all the 4 problems in around 40 minutes, and I don't know why many people were not able to solve the last problem, but I found it very easy. So in this video I'll be discussing how I solved that problem. So let's open it. So this problem says that there are n oranges, and on each day you can either eat one orange, or you can eat half of the oranges, or you can eat 2/3 of the oranges if they are divisible by 2 and 3 respectively. So one thing to note is that in each step oranges are either decrementing by 1, or are getting halved, or are getting 1/3. So the first thing that comes to mind is to apply dynamic programming, but as you can see the n is fairly large. So in this problem I guess the n was around 2 times 10 raised to power 9, so it is almost about int 32. So how I solved this problem was with this information that the main time taken was by the state which is going to reduce the number of oranges by only 1. If we are somehow able to reduce the oranges by half or 1/3 in each step, it would be very easy to solve it. But the other thing is that you don't want to decrease oranges by 1 a lot more times, because if the number of oranges is divisible by 2 already, it doesn't make any sense to reduce the number of oranges by 1. So what I did was, at each step there were 3 choices: decrement by 1, or decrease by, or make them half, or make them 1/3. So by decrementing 1 we mean that we have to somehow make them a multiple of 2 or 3. So to make a multiple of 2 we need to decrement it by n mod 2 times, and to make it a multiple of 3 we need to decrement n mod 3 times. So there are only 2 states now, so the answer would be the minimum of these 2 states. So one is 1 plus n mod 2. This 1 is for that particular day, and this n mod 2 is how many more times you need to decrement it to make a multiple of 2 or 3. So the answer is actually the minimum of these 2 states, and if we find it in our map we can just return the answer, or we can save the answer in the map. So it is just 3 lines code, and you can see that it gives us accepted. So that's all for the 4th problem. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next one.